With the growth of science fiction studies as an academic discipline as well as a popular media genre, a number of libraries, museums, archives, and special collections have been established to collect and organize works of scholarly and historical value in the field. Key collections. The Merrill Collection of Science Fiction, Fantasy, and Speculation is a leading collection of science fiction. It was founded in Toronto in 1970 by Judith Merrill. This public library collection contains over 63,000 items, including books, magazines, audio-visual works, original manuscripts, and other items of interest to both casual users and academic researchers. Paul Allen and Jody Patton founded the Science Fiction Museum and Hall of Fame in 2004, located at the base of Space Needle in Seattle. Prominent authors such as Greg Bear serve as advisors to the museum. An important museum of the genre is Maison Dallas in Yverdon-les-Bains, Switzerland, housing a large collection of literature relating to science fiction, utopias, and extraordinary journeys. It was founded by the French encyclopedist Pierre Versens in 1976 and now owns over 40,000 books, as well as many other items related to science fiction and its imagery. List of archives, libraries, museums, and collections. Research collections. J. Lloyd Eaton Collection of Science Fiction, Fantasy, Horror, and Utopian Literature. The Science Fiction Foundation Collection. Special Collections and Archives. Sidney Jones Library, University of Liverpool. M. Horvat Collection of Science Fiction Fanzines, University of Iowa Libraries. Special Collections Department. H. G. Wells Literary Papers at the Rare Book and AMP Manuscript Library. The Judith Merrill Collection of Science Fiction, Speculation, and Fantasy, Toronto Public Library. Michigan State University Libraries. Science Fiction Collection includes collection of Tiptree Award, Clarion Archives, and Science Fiction Writers of America Depository. Mid-Science Fiction Society, Local Index. Caltech S.P.E. C.T.R.E. Lending Library of over 12,000 volumes of speculative fiction at the California Institute of Technology. Paskoff Science Fiction Collection, Temple University Libraries, including a significant collection of fanzines. University of Maryland, Baltimore County, California. 10,000 book volumes and serials, and the Cosley collection of 15,000 SF fanzines. Maison Dallas, Yverdon-les-Bains, Switzerland. Science Fiction and Fantasy Writers of America Collection, Northern Illinois University. Science Fiction Writers of America Depository, pulps, and collects the papers of current SF authors. University of Delaware's special collections, including the Roland Bounds Science Fiction Collection, Georgia Tech's Budfoot Science Fiction Collection, Texas A&M University's Science Fiction and Fantasy Research Collection, San Diego State University's Elizabeth Chater Collection of Science Fiction and Fantasy, Seoul Science Fiction and AMP Fantasy Library, Science Fiction Collections at the University of South Florida, Science Fiction Collections at the Kenneth Spencer Research Library, University of Kansas. Fantastische Bibliothek Wetzlar, Germany. Popular culture collections with strong SF. Bowling Green State University Popular Culture Collection, Dime Novel and Story Paper Collection, Stanford University Library. Museums. Science Fiction Museum and Hall of Fame, Seattle, Washington, founded in 2004. Maison Dallas, Yverdon-les-Bains, Switzerland. Museum of Science Fiction, Washington, D.C., founded in 2013 with the goal of becoming the world's first comprehensive science fiction museum. Important databases and portals. SF Hub, the University of Liverpool Libraries, Science Fiction Foundation Collection, Center for the Study of Science Fiction, University of Kansas. ISFDB, the Internet Speculative Fiction Database. Locus Index to Science Fiction. Map of major SF archival collections maintained by the Eaton Journal of Archival Research in Science Fiction.